Hello, Pies!
Hi, Pies!
This episode we'll be opening Num Noms series 1.2 Light Ups. It's scented Num Light Up Nom. Let's see what's inside.
And the box looks like it's a milk carton.
Adorable. We open it just like a milk carton. Ooh, pink paper. Adorable. And we have our list down here. Would you mind looking at the list?
Absolutely. So here we have a pretty long list of the types of Num Noms you can get. Okay. Here we have the list of Num Noms. This is series 3.
Hey Sha, aren't we at series 1.2?
Yep, and this one's series 1, the light ups.
Let's open up and see what Num Nom we got.
Hopefully we get the special edition Num Noms.
Me too. Oh, so adorable.
They're absolutely adorable.
See? We'll trigger. Oh, that's so cute.
They're absolutely adorable.
Can you open this up? I don't think you can.
They're extremely squishy.
Oh God, that is very cute. Look, this one's all nice and squishy. It has cute eyes. It's winking. Oh, that's adorable. Look at its little bows. And here we have the light up one. Oh, you could turn it off and on with the bow. What do you think, Sha?
I think they're absolutely adorable. So according to this, we got peachy icy, the snow from the snow cones.
They
Right
smell
here.
delicious. You want to smell, Sha?
Really does smell like a peach. And for the light up noms, it looks like we've got berry light up right here.
There's some instructions here or to remove the batteries, but I don't think we need that right now. And here's a little paper that came out.
Looks like you have to hold down the button in order for it to light up.
Oh, it has a little tail. I didn't even notice. Oh, you don't need to hold on to it. Goodbye, Pies, and thank you for coming to this episode. Make sure to check out next episode when we open up
A cake surprise.
Bye-bye, Pies.
Bye, Pies.